You've probably written dozens of callbacks in Node.js without realizing what makes them so powerful. Let's break down exactly what a callback function is and why Node.js depends on them. A callback is simply a function that you pass as an argument to another function. Think of it like giving someone your phone number so they can call you back later. The receiving function can execute your callback whenever it's ready, whether that's immediately or after some work completes. This pattern is fundamental to JavaScript and especially Node.js. Here's where callbacks shine in Node.js. When you perform an operation that takes time, like reading a file or making a network request, Node.js doesn't wait around blocking other code. Instead, it accepts your callback, continues executing other code, and calls your function back when the operation finishes. This non-blocking asynchronous execution is what makes Node.js incredibly efficient at handling thousands of concurrent operations. Node.js established an error-first callback convention. Your callback's first parameter is always reserved for an error object, and subsequent parameters contain the results. If something goes wrong, the error parameter is populated. If everything succeeds, it's null. This consistent pattern makes error handling predictable across the entire ecosystem. Let's see this in action with a classic file system example. When you call readFile, you pass a callback that receives an error and the file data. Node.js starts reading the file in the background, your code keeps running, and when the file is ready, your callback executes with the results. This same pattern appears in setTimeout, database queries, HTTP requests, and countless other Node APIs. Remember, callbacks are just functions passed as arguments that enable asynchronous non-blocking execution, following the error-first convention. Master this pattern, and you'll understand the foundation of Node.js. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.